I'm standing about 1 mile away from the O'Hare Airport runways, and as we speak, there are planes taking off and landing right now, and every day, thousands and thousands of immigrants, refugees, and international students come here on various visas, and this country has become a significant and important mission field. 1 out of 8 residents living in this country is foreign-born, including myself. And this country needs to realize, the church in the USA needs to recognize that all these nations have come to our shores, and we need to minister to and with all these people in diaspora, people who are on the move. And even though we think that people are here because of our own choosings, it's actually, when you look at it from God's redemptive history, they are here through the orchestration of God's divine plans for redemption. And as this country has become more and more diverse, we need to also realize the importance of intercultural unity, that all these believers in Jesus Christ belong to the same body, and those who belong to Christ belong to each other as well. So we also need, as a team, as a body of Christ, needs to embrace and promote the unity in the body of Christ. And once again, please remember, USA is a mission field, a very important strategic mission field that we cannot ignore. Mission is no longer just over there, overseas, but mission is where you are.